All right, what's up, BA gang? So it's Queen and Bo out here in this thing, you know, and our little baby Zeus.
Hold up. What's up? BA gang, you talking what I'm talking about? We out here on this trail, you know, just doing our thuds. We shooting our new intro video. Put the camera on me, girl. You want the camera on you? Hold up, Corona.
Oh no, people coming too.
Oh shit, Corona.
To be safe.
Yeah, we shooting our new intro video, so y'all will see all of that at the end of this video. So let's go.
Y'all, it feel good out here though. We in the shade. We in nature.
Oh my God, I'm scared.
We looking good. Me and Pookie looking
cool,
good.
right? This shit kind of cool.
We looking good. Oh, beach! Beach!
Let me chill.
Look at that light.
Hey. All right, gang. So we done made it to the spot, undisclosed location. So don't ask where we at, you know. But anyways, we're about to go ahead and change clothes, and we're about to get this party rolling.
So we just got done doing our little intro, you know.
I'm never shooting nothing like this again, bro. Ever.
Y'all ain't ready for what we got coming, you know. It starts with the intro.
Start with the intro.
So anything after that, y'all not ready.